very, very important. This is more important than football. This is more important than tango. Mate is an infusion. It's a very ancient infusion that comes from the Guaraníes. The Guaraníes were the indigenous people that came all the way from the Amazons towards Argentina, Uruguay, and Paraguay.
Oh.
For you to have an idea of who these guys were, but right now, nowadays, Guarani is one of the official languages in Paraguay, and also Spanish. So Spanish and Guarani are the most important languages in the country of Paraguay. This comes from these people that used to call them Ka'a. Ka'a is a Guarani word, and nowadays it's called yerba mate. Okay, this is the grass. It's too much pressure. This is the leaves on which we rely to prepare our infusion. So normally we need it has two main parts. First, the gourd, that it's usually traditionally made out of a squash, a kind of a squash, and it's cured, and then you have different finishings for that. But nowadays you can find it in wood, or you can find it in the glass, or even in silicone.
A pumpkin.
Right? Yeah, it's kind of a pumpkin, but it's not actually a pumpkin. And the other main thing is the straw. So gourd and straw. And the way we prepare it is we put some of this yerba mate, 2/3 of the mate,
Oh wow.
2/3.
2/3 of the thing, because it's gonna last. I'm gonna show you.
Is it alcoholic?
No, it's not. This is more of a kind of a tea. It's an infusion. And the way we do it is we put our hand here and we shake. Just to get shake.
Shake it all
Just to get the powder off. Okay? That's
What do you do?
it.
Lick it.
We usually put some water here.
How much water?
Get in there.
Not much.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, just to put the straw. Accommodate the straw. Now, everyone sees how the yerba is put. You leave a hole here and you put it to the side.
Ooh. Do you want to push that stick in?
You see, it's kind of diagonal.
Yes, yes.
Don't touch that, please.
that.
This is we try to keep it as dry as possible.
So that means
So there is always a job, a very important job for the one who is preparing the mate. You are called actually the cebador. That's the word that we use, cebador. And the cebador is the one who's always starting to drink the mate.
Okay.
So we pour some water here on the hole. The water does not, you see?
Yeah.
The water doesn't need to be boiling. It's not boiling water. If anyone offers you a mate in South America, it's going to be either Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay, or Brazil. They're letting you know that you're inside their circle.
Ah.
You're alright, that they like you, that they
Uh-huh.
want to share stories with you.
Yeah, it's a bonding thing, yeah.
It's a bonding thing.